So this is already cooked. Now we have to cover it. And in few minutes, I will make now. I put now fillings of this siopaw dough. Now we have to cover. Turn off now the flame. So this is the dough of siopaw. Now we have to, after 1 hour, I think I did this one because I'm busy doing something. Now, so I'm free, so I will, what you call this? I will roll now this one and divide into six balls. Because my feelings, yung palaman baka hindi kasya. So, gawin ko 6. Ito na yung dough, 6 balls. And then ito na yung fillings palaman. So I divide into 6. Now we have to roll one by one and put fillings or palaman. Roll natin. Then we put now fillings or palaman. Yan. Na-divide na itong palaman kasi tama lang sa 6 na siopaw. Then we make like this. Yan. Oh. Kita nyo? Yan. So we'll put here. And then other one. The same. Make like this. Ayan. Ready to steam now this chicken asado siopaw. Water is already boiling. Now we have to put now this siopaw head. This one I will put. Now let's check after 5 minutes I steam. This is second layer, and this is water. This is first layer. Yan. Thank you so much pala sa nag-sponsor nitong steamer from Gujranwala. Salamat si Sarah Sheikh. 2 or 3 years yata niya ito pinadala. 2 years ago yata. Let's eat steamed cooked chicken asado siopaw. I already eat half, and very soft and white homemade chicken asado. Yan, very very soft. Oh. Yummy yummy. Ang sarap.